My father started the company in 1972. He was here in the desert in the Coachella Valley before that with a partner, but he started Miller & Sons in 1972, and we've been in business ever since. It was his dream to have his sons take over his business, so I do the business aspect of the company with estimates and making sure that the business runs in a profitable manner. And Matt takes care of the field to make sure that the products that we use get on correctly, so people get a roof that's watertight. We work in Southern California generally. We've done work in San Diego and LA. Anywhere we can actually go and service people. Some of our clients and customers, if they have buildings, other places we'll go and do work for them. We have anywhere from 45 to 65 employees installing roof systems from single ply into roofing tile. We've roofed most of the major buildings in the desert. The Ritz Hotel in Rancho Mirage, we've retrofitted that. The Palm Springs Aerial Tramway, we've actually been in the desert long enough to roof it a couple times. We do deal a lot with architects, we do deal a lot with homeowners, building owners, a lot of HOAs. We introduced single ply here 20 years ago when single plies weren't being installed. And the whole industry is now shifting to where most all of the companies are doing some type of single ply system because it just works. There's a lot of roofs that are flat here in the desert that actually hold water. So again, you need a system that's going to last, that can take the ponding water. Our goal is for not only to give our customers a good roof, but to have all of our roofers, all of our employees go home to their families. So safety is a big issue. And here in the desert with extreme heat, we make sure they have water, they make sure they have shade. Most of the guys working here, if you can see, you probably saw in the background, they all have their Miller & Sons shirts on with the orange so they can be seen if anything happens to them. But we're really invested in making sure that our employees get the best they can from us. We have a lot of people that want to work for us because of that. And we've been in business for 32 years. That speaks a lot. In California, to be in the same building with the same business license, it's something that we're really proud of and something we try to continue on with my father's legacy of making sure that we do the best that we possibly can.